why I'm learning Unity and Unreal at the same time. Yes, I know based on the title of this video it strays from the usual path of choosing between Unity and Unreal. Just how many video comparison do these two game engines have here on YouTube? Which is better? Which is easier to learn? Which engine is suitable for my game? No, I'm not gonna answer that question. For me, both are game engines that can be at my disposal if only I can learn both of them. This is a reason why I'm learning both of them. Learning both can help me have better clarity of how to use both engines. I'm fairly young at using Unity and C#. I started learning both 2 years ago, though I would say there's still a lot for me to learn in this engine. Shaders for example, there are still many things that are blurred to me about the engine and the language, but I'm decent already with them. But by learning Unreal and C++, it opens up to me another angle on how to do things, which is a good experience. I get to see how things are done in Unity vis-a-vis Unreal. The same way with C# and C++. Doing the same aspect of game creation, I can see and better understand key concepts that can make me a better game developer. Take for example code implementation in C# and C++. Both are totally different compared with each other. I'm familiar with other programming languages and somehow their structure is the same with C#. But C++ is totally different. Yet, it can be learned. Another thing is the workflow in Unity and Unreal. Both have their differences in aiming for the same goal. If I can create games using both of them, it will only strengthen my knowledge in game creation. Why am I learning Unreal when I already started with Unity? Because it does not hurt, but instead benefit me. Right now, I'm envisioning several games that I can only create and deliver effectively using Unreal Engine. There are a lot of comparisons in terms of graphic output from both engines, and Unreal always comes out the first. I want to take advantage of this for my future games. This is basically my reason for learning Unreal. But current developments in the game development scene had somehow changed my view on this. With the release of Fall Guys, and seeing the not so recent game like Throw Anything, a VR game made in Unity, I think Unity can be comparable with Unreal in terms of graphics. I just love the graphics in Fall Guys and Throw Anything. I think I can emulate this by using the proper shaders for my assets. Nevertheless, I will still put 2 to 3 hours a day learning Unreal and C++. I think Unreal will be better at shooters game first person or third person. I would also call this preparation for my future career as an indie game developer. My estimate is that I would need a year or more to become fully familiar with them. So better start now. The only complaint that I have now is the slow compiling process in Unreal for your C++ code. It is somehow a pain in, but since it takes too long to complete. So that's the main reason why I'm learning both Unity and Unreal and C# and C++ at the same time. For the game after my car race, though, I think it will still be in Unity.